Hi, and welcome to Lynette's Pampered Kitchen. You know, I love to cook. I haven't always been the best cook. I've learned a lot over the years. I love to try new recipes, and it's how I show my love to my friends and family. So I tell people, if you come to my house and it's a little messy, just assume I've been cooking. But you know, with cooking comes cleaning. And for years, I've had this kitchen cleaning brush from Pampered Chef. It's seen a lot over the years and it gets used hard. But we have now brought out some new cleaning items that make life so easy. Like for instance, this one. Look at it. It's like teeth, but it's not. It's for cleaning your knives. So here you go. You lay your knife in here, press this down, go back and forth. You don't have to worry about cutting yourself, and your knife is clean. Now remember, if you have knives to clean, lay them beside your sink, not in the dishwater. You don't want to reach in and go, ouch. So this is a great tool. I don't even remember the name. This is our bottle cleaning brush, and you'll notice this side the bristles are shorter. They're also coarser than this side. This works great to get into those nooks and crannies of your water bottles and other bottles. And let me show you what it does for a skinny necked bottle like this one. It goes right in. I can get around to the bottom. No, this isn't clear, so you can't really see, but it's in there and it's all the way to the bottom, and my water bottle is clean. Isn't this amazing? I love this brush. Water bottles are always those things that are hard to clean, but guess what I found out it can do? Yesterday, I made meatballs in here. This is our donut hole pan, I know, but I use it most often to make meatballs. And sometimes the fat from the meat gets in there because I use a combination of burger and sausage. But look at this. It goes right in here and it cleaned every tool easily, or every hole easily. Anyway, it's a great, great tool for this. I love this water bottle brush. Okay, one more, our new upgraded cleaning brush. Okay, so it has these nice coarse bristles, love the color. And then this end, just like our old one, has a scraper. It has a rounded edge and a squared off edge. And you know what it's really super good for? Stoneware. That's right, you can use this end to scrape the food off and this end to just finish cleaning it off. And guess what you can do with these bottles or brushes? You can put them in the top rack of your dishwasher and they're clean and sanitized and ready to go again. So don't miss out on these great cleaning tools, because when you cook, you have to clean. So let's get cooking.